Hey y'all, it's Cindy from Cindy's Art. I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed, who are following, chiming in, giving feedback. I really appreciate you. One of the things that I wanted to do today was to give you a quick tour of my office. I just got done cleaning it over the last couple days, just trying to get things more organized. So anyway, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. Let me take you first to my electronic desktop so you can see where I do some of my computer work. So this is a very large desk I got from IKEA, and you can see that I've got this huge, that's a huge electronic drawing pad. Those are current pictures that I am giving away. I'm doing a giveaway on Facebook, and I need to figure out how to extend it to you guys on YouTube. And then this is my huge Mac that I have that I do a lot of my video processing on. So the next thing I can take you to is my creative shelf. One of the things you want to do as an artist is put stuff around you that helps speak creativity to you. So I've got some of my favorite things up there. Those are old Bibles. And way at the top I had a picture of Israel because I was there about 5 years ago. So anyway, I have my Bible stash up there. This second shelf that you're looking at, these are seashells. I love seashells. And you can tell by my paintings that I love pink, and I also love the ocean. And this next shelf, this is what I mean by doing things that speak to you. So I've got some pens there, I've got some ink, and I have a few little tiny watercolor pictures that I have. Those are compasses that I need to remember. I need things to point the way for me this year. So the leaves represent the seasons that I really enjoy knowing what season of life I'm in, what I need to be doing. The fountain pens, I love collecting fountain pens. Now that's it, guys. I have that, and I have this beautiful wood one. And those remind me that how much I enjoy writing. And I've got a Hebrew chart there because I love to study the Hebraic roots and meanings of things. I'm a Christian, and so that stuff has meaning to me. So I've put just a few things that I need to remember the season and time I'm in, that I need to remember what I love painting. And the next shelf, that's an old Keter Crown Bible I got from Israel. I love it. And then see these little memo pads? I'll put these on my, YouTube comments as far as where I got those. Those are the best journals in the world. I have these, and they're Mon Carnet de Push, which is, it's a company that basically is putting out these really cool, unique journals. And I use these to write ideas for example, this is one of my journals, and this has all of my current art. Oops, sorry guys. This has all of my current art ideas, things that I need to do. This is actually the pages that give me all the instructions. I'm a process person. I like to do things efficiently. So everything it takes for me to create a piece of art and then put it on Facebook, or excuse me, on YouTube for you guys, this is everything. And I keep that because eventually I'll train somebody else to help me with what I'm doing. Isn't that really cool? So each of these little tiny journals, these are very small, and I use them for different things, and I'm really enjoying those. So okay, I'm going to take you over to my desk next that I use for watercolor setup painting. All right, here is my desk and the window I sit at. This is a bedroom window I turned into an office. You can see my Canon camera there. I have a TI Rebel. I think it's a T5 Rebel I. And I have that here sitting out because, see these wonderful, wonderful bird feeders. And you can see I put a slinky around to try and keep the squirrels away. But anyway, this is where I sit in the daytime. And this arm right here is an arm that I use as a setup to clip my phone on and for me to record the videos that I'm working on. These lights, I will put them on my page as well. These are the best lights that I have found. They give me a lot of brightness when I'm painting. Whether I'm videoing or not, I need them. So I have, you could see I've got two of them. I've got two of them on this desk. And then I have got a few of my jars, not all of them. I've got a few of my jars for my paintbrushes, and this is what I do with them. Okay, so these are, oh, I want the light to be brighter. Okay guys, hang on with me. I'm gonna turn a light on and see if I can get this brighter. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So these are Golden Natural brushes. These are one of the paints that I use, paintbrushes I use when I'm doing botanicals. These work really well. I have some new Princeton Elite Neptune brushes, and I'll cover those another time. These are silver brushes and silver black velvet brushes, and then these are, I think these are the Aqua Elites. I just got this entire set. Look at all of these, it's just crazy. And then back there you can just see I've got some squirt bottles. I have too much water in, so I'm letting them sit and air out. Okay, so I have a number of different paint brushes that I use. That's some of them, it's not all of them. So that is my desk setup, and that's where I sit to do my videos. It's enough space. And then one of the things I want to show you too is, see this black pad? You see this in the background. This is an IKEA desktop, and I can put stuff under there if I want. It's got a nice ridge here, and many times when I want to dry a piece of art, I'll lift this up and I will put a piece of art under there. I'll spray the back of the painting, and it's not super soaked, it's just wet, and I'll put the wet side up and put my painting facing down, so because nothing's going to happen to my painting. But this thing is heavy enough where it dries everything. It's just perfect. And then Talenti, if you like Talenti ice cream, here is a great way to recycle those containers. And I'm starting to make my own Talenti, so I don't have to keep using them. So anyway, that is my desk setup. You can see I've got pencil for drawing and a miscellaneous brush too. Okay,